How to read a thermometer. The mercury in a thermometer expands as it warms. As the temperature rises, the mercury rises. Here you can see the mercury at -40 degrees, at -20 degrees, at 0 degrees, at +20 degrees, and at +40 degrees. Take a close look. What's the temperature of the mercury's new location? The temperature reads +60 degrees, or 60 degrees above zero. Take another look. What's the temperature at the mercury's new location? The temperature reads -60 degrees, or 60 degrees below zero. Compare -5 degrees and -12 degrees. Here the mercury's location sits at -12 degrees, or 12 degrees below zero. As the temperature rises just a bit, the new location is -5 degrees, or 5 degrees below zero. 12 degrees below zero is colder than 5 degrees below zero. -12 degrees is colder than -5 degrees.